We have known from studies done in the 1980s that softened water will save energy in heating water. This is a quote from Joe Harrison, the technical director for the Water Quality Association. He continues to say, "Now the Department of Energy says that heating water accounts for 14% to 25% of the energy consumed in your home." The Water Quality Research Foundation wanted to update the data on energy savings with softened water in new modern water heaters and the new instantaneous tankless water heaters. In 2009, the research arm of the WQA, the Water Quality Research Foundation, contracted the services of the not-for-profit Battelle Memorial Institute. The independent Battelle study was commissioned. The study and its results have provided the industry with an independent, scientifically based endorsement, confirming that water softeners increase energy efficiency and extend the life of household appliances and fixtures. The Independent Institute developed and carried out tests evaluating the cost and energy use associated with heating hard water versus softened water. Over a period of 9 months, accelerated scale tests were carried out to simulate 12 years of use. The project also examined the subsequent effect of hard water on the performance capabilities of fixtures and appliances such as faucets, low-flow shower heads, dishwashers, and washing machines. Just look at the contrast between appliances using softened water versus unsoftened water. With the data gathered from the water heater efficiency tests and fixture performance tests, the Institute developed a differential carbon footprint assessment for homes that use softened water versus homes that use unsoftened water. The results were more than conclusive. For all water heaters on soft water, efficiency remained essentially constant over the duration of the testing, according to the study. So how did the water heaters do in hard water? None of the water heaters on unsoftened water lasted until the end of the test, period. Consider your past or a friend's experience with hard water. Have you had to replace a water heater after it failed or leaked? The limestone that created this damage also created energy inefficiencies that added to your monthly budget. Wouldn't you have prevented those experiences if you could have? So where are the savings for the consumer? We can get that answer from the Battelle study. For gas storage and instantaneous water heaters, the use of a water softener to eliminate or minimize the scale-forming compounds in water will result in the efficiency of the water heater remaining constant over the life of the unit. In contrast, gas storage and instantaneous water heaters using unsoftened water had a noticeable decrease in efficiency over the testing period, resulting in higher natural gas use. This natural gas savings associated with the use of softened water will lead to direct energy and economic savings. In addition, because of the need to have the instantaneous water heater delimed or cleaned periodically, the economic savings can lead to the recovery of the cost of a water softener and operating supplies in a period as short as a year, if the inlet water is sufficiently hard. Further, there are environmental benefits to the use of a water softener. The lower use of natural gas leads to reductions in the carbon footprint, which are related to the decrease in total energy consumption. The increase in total energy consumption is related to the hardness. Higher water hardness will lead to greater energy consumption without the use of a water softener, and consequently, greater energy costs. Battelle also determined the carbon footprint of the water heaters by examining energy consumption within the home and resulting greenhouse gas emissions. They found that where there were energy efficiency differences between the equipment, there were also carbon footprint differences. For a storage-type gas water heater, there was a 14.8% carbon footprint reduction over a 15-year service life with softened water, taking into account the natural gas used for heating the water as well as electricity used for water softening. For instantaneous water heaters, there was a carbon footprint reduction of 4.4% over a 15-year life. The Battelle study has provided hard data from an objective independent organization that speaks to both legislators and consumers.